We've been researching and testing popular products available today to bring you this best rated espresso machine under 500. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications with Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart manual espresso maker. Back here we have our removable reservoir. You can hold this like this so that you can carry it to the sink and fill it to the max fill line. Then you mount it back on the back of the machine. Up here is where you can put your coffee cups to keep them warm, while you're making your espresso. And some of the things that come with your espresso maker are the coffee filters. This large one here is for when you make 2 cups of espresso at one time. This is the one that you use for 1 cup. And this one here is special. This is the one that you use when you're making, using the pods. This is your coffee scoop. And on the back here, this is your tamper. This is where you press down to tamp the coffee before you make it. These filters go right into the Portafilter holder. Like I said, each one depending on what type of espresso and how much espresso you're making. And then also the one for the pod holder. Additionally, we give you a really nice stainless steel cup so that you can froth your milk when you're making lattes or cappuccinos. We're going to put this right on here. I'm going to mount it inside and lock it into place. And it's really great too because when you remove this after your coffee is done, you slide this forward and you can dump your coffee out and the filter stays inside. This is your removable drip tray and cover. So if you have any drips or spills, it goes right in there. And these are the controls. The power on button. This is the button you use to do steaming. This is also tells you that your coffee maker is ready to make espresso. And you just do it manually by turning this knob. So there you have it. Along with the wand, which is a commercial quality wand, this is what you do use to make your lattes and frothing your milk. And there you have it, the Cuisinart manual espresso maker.
And these are editor rating for this product.